Hello, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for scholarships to study in the US? If yes, then you are in the right place because today we are going to talk about 5 amazing scholarships that you can apply for. The best thing is that the deadline for these scholarships is not so far away. Scholarship 1, Global Scholarships. Are you an international student looking to study in the US? If yes, then you should definitely check out the Global Scholarships. It is a merit-based scholarship of $3,000 that is awarded to students wishing to pursue a bachelor's degree in the U.S. Scholarship 2, Fulbright Foreign Student Program. The Fulbright Foreign Student Program offers merit-based scholarships to excellent international students to study in the U.S. The program provides funding for a full program of graduate study in the U.S. and includes tuition and fees, a monthly living stipend, an economy class return airfare to the U.S., and additional benefits and allowances. We have more scholarships to talk about, but before that, make sure to hit the like button if you have enjoyed the video so far. Scholarship 3, Clark University Presidential Scholarship. The Clark University Presidential Scholarship is a merit-based scholarship that is awarded to exceptional international high school students. Scholarship 4, University of Oregon International Excellence Scholarship. The University of Oregon International Excellence Scholarship is a merit-based scholarship that is awarded to incoming international freshmen who have a strong academic profile. You must have a minimum GPA of 3.0 on a 4.0 scale. For more information and to apply, visit the official website. Scholarship 5, MPOWER Global Citizen Scholarship. The MPOWER Global Citizen Scholarship is a need-based scholarship that is awarded to international. For more information and to apply, visit the official website. For more scholarship opportunities, visit our website.